Here we presents the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 5, Kinesis Advantage2. Enthusiastic reviews say this upscale keyboard is perfect for the office and frequent use. Besides the actual board, the keys are shaped in a wave pattern. That's one of the most natural placements we viewed. Kinesis says the design is patented. Split left-right key wells are contoured in a smooth concave shape. The thumb keys are curved as well. The keyboard fits the natural curve of fingers perfectly, users say. Kinesis says the keyboard is rated for 50 million key presses. They also offer a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Users of this model say that's a real vote of confidence for this high-performance model. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, Logitech MK550. This keyboard includes all the functions you need, plus it comes with a compatible mouse. Verified buyers say they appreciate that the mouse has laser functionality. You won't need to buy a mouse of it. Not only is the perimeter of this keyboard shaped to allow hands to lie naturally, the keys wave up and down. The armrest is integrated into the keyboard. You never have to rearrange the rest. It's always positioned correctly. There's also some amazing battery life here, up to 3 years of it, according to reviews. This model works with PCs only. Setup is simple. Use the MK550 with any Windows PC from XP and Vista to Windows 10. Halfway of my listed number 3, Microsoft Sculpt. While there is no denying that this keyboard looks cool with its funky curve, this actually serves an ergonomic rather than a design purpose. The splitting and inward waving of the keys allows for a more comfortable positioning of the arms, allowing the user to turn the hands in rather than having to tuck their elbows in. The slight wave of the keys also makes them easier to reach because, just in case anyone hasn't noticed, pinkies are much shorter than middle fingers. While it may not be as ergonomic as a fully split keyboard, many people actually find a fully split keyboard difficult to adapt to. This is an excellent middle ground. This keyboard is primarily designed to work with Windows, with a simple wireless plug-and-go design. This does mean there are limited options to customize key actions, and additional software is needed to make it work with Mac. Nevertheless, anyone who's looking for an ergonomic solution but isn't ready for a fully split keyboard will love this halfway house. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2, 60% wireless mechanical. If you are the type of person who does a lot of typing, and you want to minimize the strain on your hands caused by the force of pushing down on the keys, then this Velocifier model might be exactly what you are looking for. An entirely mechanical keyboard, it uses a brown switch, which is more sensitive than blue switches. It is also quieter, so you won't disturb others if you work long into the night. The keyboard is designed to be usable anywhere. It is compact and wireless, so you can take it from office to home. It is compatible with both Windows and Linux PCs, with no special setup required, just plug in the USB. When it comes to power, you can charge it off the computer when in use, or off a wall charger at other times. Sadly, the wall charger isn't included. It also doesn't come with palm rests, which need to be bought separately. While we would have liked to have seen these things included, it is still highly affordable, even when these things are purchased separately. And number 1. Logitech MK550. If you are looking for something wireless, so you aren't chained to a certain distance from your screen, then the Logitech MK550 wireless keyboard, which comes with a mouse, should be on your list. It uses Logitech's unique constant curve layout to make hitting the keys more comfortable. Standard keyboards don't recognize the fact that all your fingers are different lengths, and that the reach of your middle finger and your pinky are very different. The keyboard and associated mouse are completely wireless. I was concerned when I saw that the keyboard required AA batteries, and imagined myself having to change those on a regular basis. But the keyboard is very low power, and you should only have to change the batteries every 3 years. The leg height of the keyboard is adjustable, so you can tailor it to your needs. You can also use the caps lock to switch a variety of keys, which is ideal if you use a lot of complex functions. There is no setup when using Windows, just plug in the USB and go. However, it is not Mac compatible. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, And be sure to subscribe.